If you want to record phone calls on Realme GT 8 Pro, then the first thing that you can do is check if you have a built-in option that allows you to record phone calls. In order to check that, usually you can find that option once you are on a call. Sometimes you can find the recording button somewhere over here in the call menu. Sometimes it is, for example, accessible through the More section in here. However, as you can see in my case at least, I don't have it. So if in your case you don't have it as well, then in that case we will have to use a third-party app that allows us to record phone calls. Now in the Play Store, if we type call recorder, then you can find many different apps that allow you to do so. So of course you can choose whichever you want to try out, and feel free to try them out. Most of them are working in a pretty similar way, but in my case I'm gonna use this one over here, the Cube ACR, and I'm gonna install it. I'm gonna show you how to set it up. But like I said, if you don't like this one or if it doesn't work for you, feel free to try anything else. So let's open it. We have to set it up. So we're gonna tap on next in here. We need to grant permissions. There we go. Then we're gonna tap on OK in order to turn off power optimization. We need to tap allow in here. And then for geotagging, we can just tap on no thanks, and then we can confirm by pressing OK. Got it. We have this premium offer, which we're gonna turn off. There we go, once again. And now we have the option to install the helper, so additional app that is used to help the main app work properly. In my case, I'm gonna choose to install the helper. You will open the browser with these download options, and in my case, I'm gonna choose download helper APK. And of course, there's like an information that this file might be harmful, but we can download it anyway. This is of course mentioned because these apps, well, this app actually is not from the Play Store, so anything that is downloaded not from the Play Store is considered as potentially harmful, of course. Once you download, actually not install, once you download the app, we're gonna open our downloads and we need to install it. Now, since this is an app that is not from the Play Store, we have to allow our browser to install unknown apps. So I'm gonna tap on settings and we need to allow from this source, and then we can tap on install. And once the app is installed, we want to open it. We have to set it up as well. So tap on next, grant permissions. There we go. Now tap on go to accessibility, choose downloaded apps, and you will see Cube ACR app connector, and it is grayed out. So we want to tap on it in order to see this message. It is necessary to actually see it, and we're gonna close it and go back. Then we're gonna choose go to apps. Now in here we need to find the Cube ACR helper. Now we're gonna tap on these three dots in the upper right corner and then choose allow restricted settings and verify yourself. After that, we're gonna go back and once again choose to go to accessibility, once again to downloaded apps, and choose Cube ACR app connector and turn it on and tap on allow. Now we're gonna tap OK in here and press allow, and now we can open the Cube ACR, the main app. Before we move on, I can also recommend you to tap on these three lines in the upper left corner, and you can see if recording is enabled, just to make sure. And also we have some additional settings that you might want to check out to ensure that it is set up as you wish. The app records phone calls automatically, so if someone calls you and you answer, then you will see in notifications that the app is actually running. So let's open notifications, and as you can see, we do have the ACR helper and the main app running. The app is now recording for me. And once you are done with the recording, then of course you can open the main app in order to find your recording, and of course you can play it. Now, one thing that I have to mention is that in some cases, the caller, the other person that you talk with on a call, they might not be heard clearly on the recording. So the recorder might not be able to clearly pick up the caller and what they are saying. So if that happens, if you cannot clearly hear that other person, the caller, you might need to use the loudspeaker if you want to ensure that you can then clearly hear them on the recording. This might be necessary because the app might not be able to pick it up if you are using the earpiece at the top, of course, of the phone. Besides that, of course, we have some additional options for the recording, so you can check that out as well. And that is essentially it. Subscribe to my channel.